Get ready to revolutionize your online presence because today, we're diving into the incredible world of 10web's AI website builder, where imagination meets instant creation. Forget endless hours of design and development. 10web's AI-powered platform takes the heavy lifting out of website building. It's designed for anyone who needs a beautiful, high-performing website, fast and code-free. Let's jump in. The first step is to head over to 10web and click Create Website. This is where the magic begins. Now, tell 10web what kind of website you envision. You can choose from various industry types, colors, and even the overall style you're aiming for. Think of it as briefing your personal AI designer. In mere seconds, 10web's AI generates a selection of stunning, professional-like templates tailored to your preferences. Each one is a polished starting point, ready for your personal touch. Pick the template that speaks to you the most. Once selected, it's loaded into an intuitive drag-and-drop editor. This is where you'll customize your site without needing any technical skills. Tired of that headline? Simply click and type your own. Want to swap out this image? Just drag and drop a new one from your library. You can rearrange sections, change fonts, and adjust layouts with absolute ease. But 10web isn't just about looks, it's also about performance. The AI continuously optimizes your website for speed and mobile responsiveness, ensuring your visitors have a seamless experience, no matter their device. So there you have it, why you're a professional, high-performing website built in minutes, powered by the intelligence of AI. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or just want to establish your online presence, 10web is your ultimate code-free solution. Ready to build your dream website? Explore 10web today. #A website builder #10web.